Assistant Director Shri Pranay Jardosh, Administrator Shri Ajay Singh, the entire Bhajiawala family present here, and all the personnel from electronic and print media. Today, we are going to witness something that is unusual. ऐसा जो शायद सूरत में पहले किसी ने नहीं देखा होगा. मान लेते हैं अगली 5 मिनट के लिए आपकी आंखें चली जाए, क्या आप कुछ भी देख पाएंगे? कैन यू सी एनीथिंग चिल्ड्रन? एब्सोल्युटली नॉट. इन अमूल्य आंखों के बिना कैसी होगी आपकी जिंदगी? हम इस बात की शायद कल्पना भी नहीं कर सकते. लेकिन जीडी गोयनका इंटरनेशनल स्कूल में कुछ ऐसे भी बच्चे हैं जिनकी आंखें होते हुए भी वे बंद आंखों से सब कुछ देखने जैसा अद्भुत चमत्कार कर सकते हैं. जोरदार तालियां इस बात पर पहले. एंड दिस इज नॉट अ मैजिक. ये कोई चमत्कार नहीं है. दिस इज प्योर साइंस. जस्ट अबव अवर आईब्रोज, अपनी जो आईब्रोज होती है जस्ट उसके ऊपर, वी हैव अ ग्लैंड विच इज कॉल्ड पीनल ग्लैंड, which is in the liquid form. On concentrating and listening to a particular type of music and certain mantras and meditating on a regular basis, pineal gland gets activated. Now this can happen only till the age of 14 years. After that, in an adult, after 14 years, that pineal gland is covered with calcium, and so it becomes solidified. So on activation of this pineal gland, both the left and the right brain of ours, it starts functioning simultaneously, and with high concentration, without the actual eyes, inverted and blur image can be seen through this pineal gland, and so we call it our third eye. इस मौके पर, कार्यक्रम को आगे बढ़ाने से पहले, इस मौके पर एक खास सूचना मैं देना चाहूंगा इलेक्ट्रॉनिक और प्रिंट मीडिया के उपस्थित सभी मेंबर्स को यहां पर, कि ये प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस बुलाने के पीछे हमारा हेतु अपने आप को हाईलाइट करना बिल्कुल भी नहीं है, बल्कि हमारे बच्चों में छिपी प्रतिभा को हाईलाइट करना है. हम ये चाहते हैं कि ज्यादा से ज्यादा लोग इस कला को जाने और ज्यादा से ज्यादा बच्चे इस कला को सीखें. इन प्रतिभाशाली बच्चों की कला को देख जीडीजीआईएस ने यह फैसला लिया है कि वह कोशिश करेंगे कि आने वाले समय में वह जीडी गोयनका के सारे बच्चों को यह कला प्रदान कर सके. जोरदार तालियां इस संकल्प के लिए. तो लेट अस नाउ कैरी ऑन विद द प्रोग्राम, एंड व्हाइल वी डू दैट, आई वुड लाइक टू कॉल अपॉन द लिटिल वंडर with his uncle. May I please welcome, with a big round of applause, let us all welcome Shikhar Bhajiawala and his uncle Mr. Jignesh Bhajiawala on the stage, please. Innocent, cute face, but really talented.
Good morning.
Okay, sir, you take a seat. Now we will actually see the real talent of this very, very young, tender Goenka, I can say. Right? Can you tell what is, आप कौन सी क्लास में पढ़ते हैं बेटा?
First class.
आप फर्स्ट क्लास हैं? आप फर्स्ट क्लास में पढ़ते हैं?
पढ़ता हूँ.
मतलब फर्स्ट क्लास नहीं है? Okay, great. So shall we start? Okay, for that, Parimal bhai, we have a blindfold with us for Shikhar here. Now I would request any two people from the print media to please come. और from the press media, कोई भी दो व्यक्ति यहाँ पे जल्दी से आ जाए. कोई भी दो व्यक्ति. अच्छा, वहां से आ रहे हैं. अच्छा, फोटोग्राफर. और कोई आ सकता है 2 मिनट के लिए प्लीज स्टेज पे. जस्ट हमें ये चेक करना है कि जो पट्टा वो बांध रहा है, the blindfold what is using, is it properly fixed up or not? खाली ये चेक करने के लिए बुला रहा है. अच्छा ठीक है, ओके. यहाँ पर 2 जेंटलमैन हमारे पास खड़े हैं. personnel from the press media. ये एक अद्भुत साइंस जो हम देखेंगे यहाँ पर, I would say. We have the flashcards here. Let them. You to them. पहले आप दिखाएंगे वहाँ पे कौन सा फ्लैश कार्ड है, and then let him recognize. आप
number? Anything.
आप कोई भी एक ले लीजिए वहाँ से फटाफट. Okay. आप जाके दिखा दीजिए एक बार यहाँ. There is a picture there, right? You can all see the number there. Don't need to utter it. You can all see it there. Fine. Now we will be showing it to him.
बस आम फड़ी जा. हाँ दिखा चल. कई कलर.
बेटा कौन सा क्या है बताइए.
3 blue cap
3 blue and then there was a picture of cap there. He said cap and 3 again.
આ કેમેરા સામે આને આમ.
I think he needs a bigger round of applause.
ટર્ન કરો. અહીંયા ટર્ન કર. દીકા. જઈ જા. हाँ.
I mean, if I close my eyes, I can even not see a single thing.
सर बैक साइड.
यहाँ पे बिल्कुल ही darkness है and amazing things can be created.
ओके.
May I call upon even Priya?
उबीरा जा उबीरा.
See the confidence level. She is saying, "जितना बांधता उतना बांध लो." I can still panic through. I can still pierce through.
यस.
Fine. Okay. Now maybe have the teacher again. कोई भी दूसरा आप में से कोई भी प्लीज. कोई भी एक कार्ड पहले वहां दिखाएंगे आप आपने जो लिया हो. Can you all see from here what is that? Okay. Fine. Now it will be given to Priya there.
yellow 5
यार एक मिनट. बोलो बच्चे. प्रिया जरा आने फ्रंट में ले आकर.
yellow 5 and fishes 5 fishes.
कैमरा सामने बताओ वैसे सब. येलो बताओ कैमरा सामने. 5 दिखना है. आप छोड़ दीजिए. आप छोड़ दीजिए. आप इसको हाथ में ले ले. या सामने देखो कैमरा
सामने कैमरा के सामने देखो.
हाँ. अरे
और 5 ऐसे सामने हो.
हाँ. हाँ. बैक साइड. सर आमादी कहीं आप ही है. तल्ली बिजी.
Achievement that he has at this tender age, again I'll say.
છે ને લાંબા એટલે તમને પેલું નીચેથી દેખાય છે એવો પ્રોબ્લેમ નહીં.
Meanwhile, maybe have some other teacher from. Okay, you can relax easily, no problem. This needs, as I said, children and all present here, this needs a lot of concentration.
10 candies. And 10.
સીધું કર કાઢ એટલે દેખાય બધા. હા બસ. હા સરસ. બેક સાઈડ.
Turn the
લાવો બીજું આપ.
बस હવે આપણે okay fine.
હવે
can we have a visiting card from anybody of you? कोई भी visiting card दे दो. कोई भी अपने जेब में. It should be in English, mind you, because English medium के है तो ज़्यादा English प्रेफर होगा. कोई भी English में visiting card दे दो. He will read it like anything. Okay, he has it now. Here is a
Real image we can catch yes feeling. Twinkle Panwala, all kind of digital photography and videography. 1183 Canary Bazaar, Nanawat Main Road, Dhairya Mahal, Char Rasta, NR SMC Surat 3 twinkle.panvela@yahoo.in.
Oh,
Puri history for darling.
you can see.
Give all the history. Wonderful. Anybody else? One more card, please. We are having a fun here right now. Okay, beta. Ready?
Yes.
Yes. Here it is.
You may write any letter. He can.
Press Trust of India, India's premier news agency. F102 Park Complex opposite Ashok Nagar near Jeevan D Society, Kantagram, Road, Surat 395004. Email nujjali@gmail.com, /munjali@yahoo.com, ashokmunjali@rediff.com.
Okay, very good. That is really super. Okay. Fine.
आता પેલા નાના હતા ને એટલે એને થોડી પ્રોબ્લેમ એટલે
समाचार चिन्नू पिथवा फोटोग्राफर 9825273915. ईमेल chintupithwa07@gmail.com. Here Usra Darwaza Ring Road, Surat 2. Phone number 026126344545. Fax 026126344040.
Brilliant, brilliant. अभी और भी कुछ करते हैं आगे. Let us not keep him giving this visiting cards. Okay. अभी यहाँ पर हम एक और चीज देखते हैं. जिगर आप यहीं पे खड़े रहेंगे बेटा.
Okay, sir.
ग्रुप फोटो ले आओ वैसे
यहाँ पे है ना, मैं आपको नीचे ले जाता हूँ. वहाँ पे ये आगे पूरी लॉबी है. एक मिनट बेटा. आगे पूरी लॉबी है. वहाँ पर there you have your father standing along with many people, other people. Okay, I'll get you down. And then you have to identify your father. Okay, and you have to catch him. Wait a minute. Okay, ready? Okay, you may go. This is completely blind, I'll tell you what. Look at that, wonderful. This is amazing. I mean, you can also understand if खुदा न खास्ता अगर ऐसा हुआ कहीं कि आंखों की रोशनी चली गई in future, of course, this is going to really help. Okay, principal sir कहाँ पे है बेटा? ढूंढ दो. Oh, wonderful. Jai Shri ma'am, Jai Shri ma'am. He's saying good morning ma'am also. Very good. Okay beta, come back. Fine.
any sir of him
He's slamming the stage by himself also. That is also okay. Wonderful. Okay, you may go back and sit to your sofa, please.
Okay, sir.
And then they will say they are actually there exactly that or not.
Yes.
Sir. Okay. Come in.
हाँ बोलो
Beta, there are 3 teachers here. Right? You can identify one of the, all the 3 of them one by one.
Good morning, Andrew.
हाथ पकड़ पहला नैन्सी मैम नो हाथ बोलो जो भी बोल करना होगा
Teacher, second sir.
Wonderful. Thank you ma'am, thank you sir. आगे बढ़ो. Come. You may go back to seat.
लेटर वांचो है तो आप
अच्छा, इवन हैंड रिटन, प्रिंटेड ही नहीं, इवन हैंड रिटन भी वो पढ़ सकते हैं. एक छोटा सा सैंपल देख लेते हैं हम. This is something written, hand written, Jigar. You may read it.
Jigar is a boy. He studies in GD Goenka International School. He is very intelligent.
Superb. I think he needs a bigger round of applause. This is amazing, isn't it? I mean, simply clapping for clapping purpose is not the thing right now. We really need to applaud this kind of a talent, really. Fine. And finally, he's going to pick exactly the glass which is completely filled without actually touching any others. Okay, there is a glass.
हनीफ ये रे भाई अरे यार पाचर हो जा
Okay.
हनीफ
The father is making it even difficult, I guess. Okay, he's got. Oh, wonderful! That is amazing, isn't it? And he's drinking also. Excellent, excellent, excellent. Thank you very much. Jigar, it was wonderful.
Thank you, sir.
Hidden talent. I also congratulate the parents of these children for promoting the spirit of realization of concentration and bringing them forth so as it can be made available for other people also. I would like to thank from the core of my heart for being these parents as the member of our family, and they are not just keeping this particular talent hidden with them, they are sharing it with each and every person so that it can be utilized by others also. On behalf of GT Goenka School, I would like to thank all the members of press and media, print media, electronic media for being present here on a short notice and making this event a successful one. I hope that this type of event can be highlighted in a proper manner so that it can be further utilized for all the members who can have such type of problem in future. I hope that means even we were not having a belief on this and we tested it a lot, and we were also all the while having the doubts on this, but after seeing all these presentations I feel that it really calls for such type of development or skill with all the children, and I think they can improve it if they do it up to the age of 14 years. So I thank you all for being present here, because you are the main people who bring the awareness in the society. And ultimately I would like to thank our chief mentor, who is at present not here, but for promoting all this type of activities, is all the while active and taking this front challenge to bring this type of activities for the society development, and this will really become a beneficial aspect for all the members of society. So I thank each and every member, in fact all the members, all the teachers, all the top management people, all the students for giving time and promoting this particular event. Thanks to all of you. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. That was really inspiring. And that is what has been our motto today. We want that most children get acquainted with this. Thank you very much. You are a wonderful audience to come here and witness this wonderful talent. I really thank, and media people, those who are here. If you want to have an interaction with the parent, you can have it outside the auditorium. And thanks once again for coming. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
तो આપણો મનુષ્ય મગજ એક એવી વસ્તુ છે કે જેના ઉપર મ્યુઝિકની સૌથી વધારે અસર થાય છે, અને આખી પ્રકૃતિ ઉપર પણ મ્યુઝિકની અસર થાય છે. આપણે ઘણી વખત સાંભળ્યું છે કે આપણે જ્યારે વરસાદ માટે ગીત ગાઈએ તો વરસાદ મેઘા આવી શકે છે, એવી જ રીતે હવે આમાં જે બ્રેઇન ઉપર જે મ્યુઝિકની ઇફેક્ટ આપવામાં આવે છે, લેફ્ટ અને રાઇટ બ્રેઇન બેઉ એકસાથે જ્યારે કામ કરવાનું ચાલુ કરે ત્યારે આપણી છઠ્ઠી ઇન્દ્રિય જે છે એટલે બ્રેઇન સ્ટિમ્યુલેશન કહેવામાં આવે છે. અને બ્રેઇન જ્યારે સ્ટિમ્યુલેટ થઈ જાય અને એની છઠ્ઠી ઇન્દ્રિય કામ કરવાનું ચાલુ કરી દે ત્યારે એવું થઈ શકે કે એની આંખ બંધ હોય છતાં પણ એને છે ને રિફ્લેક્ટેડ ઇમેજ દેખાય, થોડીક ધૂંધલી દેખાય. જેમ કે આપણને ચશ્માના નંબર હોય અને આપણે ચશ્મા કાઢી નાખીએ તો આપણને કેવું ધૂંધલું દેખાય. તો જ્યારે એ લોકો વાંચે છે ત્યારે ઇન્વર્ટેડ ઇમેજને એ લોકોએ વાંચવી પડે છે, એટલે કોન્સન્ટ્રેશન લેવલ એટલું હાઈ જોઈએ છે. અને આવા બચ્ચાઓ જ્યારે 14 વર્ષ સુધીના હોય ત્યારે અહીંયા લિક્વિડ હોય છે આપણા સેન્ટર પોર્શનમાં, તો એ લિક્વિડ હોય એનાથી આપણે એને સારી રીતે જોઈ શકીએ છીએ. અને 14 વર્ષ પછી એના પર કેલ્શિયમ જામી જાય છે, તો એના માટે આપણે રોજના 3 કલાક અને 3-4 વર્ષ સુધી જો મેડિટેશન કરવામાં આવે તો એ કેલ્શિયમને આપણે તોડી શકીએ અને આપણે આ વસ્તુને હાંસલ કરી શકીએ. અને અમારા 5 બચ્ચાને અમે આ કરાવવાનો પ્રયત્ન કર્યો હતો, એમાંથી આ 3 બચ્ચા અત્યારે પ્રેક્ટિસ કરીને આટલી સરસ રીતે આગળ આવી ગયા છે. બીજા 2 માટે પ્રયત્ન ચાલુ છે, અને જલારામ બાપાની મહેરબાની હશે તો આવતા 3-4 મહિનામાં એ લોકો પણ જોતા થઈ શકશે. કેટલા વર્ષથી આ લોકો આ 2 મહિનાની મહેનતનો રિઝલ્ટ છે.
અમે છે ને જ્યારે અમારા હાથ પર આવે કાર્ડ ત્યારે અમે એને ટચ કરીને સ્મેલ કરીને અને ફોરહેડની પાસે રાખીને અમે એને ડિટરમાઇન કરી શકીએ.
કેટલા સમયથી તમે કાર્ડને ઓળખવાની પદ્ધતિ કરો?
મહિના 2 મહિનાથી.